good morning, depending on where you're located. I'm Mark Bassingthwaighte. I'm the risk manager with ALPS. I've been in this role for a little over 25 years now, and it's been quite a ride. I want to underscore I'm not a risk manager in the traditional sense, in terms of I don't manage the risk of the corporation. I'm really hired by ALPS to be your risk manager. I'm a risk manager for the bar at large. Doesn't cost anything to visit with me. You do not need to be an ALPS insured to visit with me. So if any of you ever have any issues or concerns on cybersecurity, insurance, in terms of policies and language, in terms of discussing coverage in general, ethics, that kind of thing, malpractice avoidance, please don't hesitate to reach out. My email address is mbass, B-A-S-S, at ALPS Insurance, A-L-P-S insurance.com. So with that out there, we've got a lot to cover today. So let's jump right into the 30 things every solo, small firm, or a rural attorney needs to know. I want to talk about tidy spaces. In my role as risk manager over the years, I have consulted with over 1,200 law firms of all shapes and sizes all over the country. And I can tell you, first impressions matter. And I have been in some spaces that would just blow your mind. But why do they matter? Because I honestly think the first impression, it's easier to establish an effective and trusting attorney-client relationship from the get-go if the first impression is a positive one. I've walked into firms with broken furniture, just the entire space from reception to attorney offices are dirty and cluttered. I have been in things, you just really couldn't imagine it. I've been kept waiting 30 to 60 minutes without any kind of explanation. I've even been treated occasionally by some receptionists just like, oh, rolling around. This is such a bother. I have to deal with somebody that's coming into the office today. That can't help but set an impression that is not the most positive one. Now my opinion could be, I'm open to changing my opinion as a consultation moved forward, but it's going to be an uphill battle. It really is. And so I'm going to share, I think that's going to be similarly true for potential clients. The second tip, preliminary conflict checks really need to occur at first contact. Conflicts, I will tell you, is a significant